Alright guys, this is Sam. Alright, today we're going to learn how to trade with Binance app. Alright, so this is the app right here. You can download it from Play Store. Alright, I'll drop a link to the app. Alright, so you can register and get an account. Binance currently is my favorite cryptocurrency exchange. And I love the fact that with the app you can log into your account with your fingerprint. That's it right there. Very simple. All right, so I've been using Binance for a while, and I love the fact that you can pay for fees with their coin and have 50% slash in fees. All right, so this is the first page you see when you log into the app. These are the different announcements going on right now. All right, these are the different coins trading, and this is the coins they just listed on Binance, which is GNT and Clocoin. And I noticed that Clocoin has already made about 13%, no, 30% or 13% gain. I can't really recall. Now you can easily talk to support over here, get to your, okay, I think I clicked that, get to your favorite coins or tokens. You can easily deposit and withdraw here. Now, these are the coins. All right, so these are the different cryptocurrencies that have made good gains in the past 24 hours that have good volumes, right? These ones, and these are the top gainers, right? So everything is just simple. And you want to go to top losers, you click here and see GNC has lost 17% within the past 24 hours. So the app is actually very easy to use, but I really don't know why some people are having difficulties with this app. All right, so that's that about the home page, right? You can come around and see how it looks like. Then moving on to the markets. Now, markets you see your favorite coins, the coins you clicked as your favorites. You can actually choose the coin to be your favorite coin. Now let's quickly see how to do that. Let's choose SB. Okay, there's no SBD on EOS subs of channel. All right, so you can just click this star and plus, and once you do that, that coin becomes your favorite coin. I don't want this video to be too long, so I'm gonna go straight to trading on Binance app. All right, trade on Binance app. The first thing you need to do is fund your account, right? You just click deposit and choose the coin you want to fund. Let's work with the ARC. All right, ARC, or okay, let's go with ARC. So you click that, you search for the coin, and then gets you just copy the address, or you scan the QR code, right? So that's actually very easy. And there are some coins that will need username and memo. So for coins like that, let's go with Steam. All right, Steam. I think the username is usually deepcrypto8. All right, so you copy the username, and you paste in whatever you're sending from. You copy the memo and paste, and it's that simple. So once you do that, now let's assume you sent Steam, all right, or XVG. Let's assume you sent SVG. Now, how do you trade with XVG? Very simple. The first thing you see is buy. You see sell, an open order, history, and the trading pair on top. So to trade is very easy. Now there are several ways. There are three ways actually right now to trade here. There's the limit order, the market order, and the stop limits. Limit order is you setting your own price that you want to sell or buy from. The market order is when if you click market order, you will be using the best price in the market to either buy or sell. And stop limit is like setting a conditional buy order or a conditional sell order, depending on what you're doing. All right. Some people, when it comes to sell order, some people call it stop loss, right? It depends on the exchange you're using. All right. So to buy cryptocurrency, okay, right now, which I just have little amounts of SBD. So now, if you're using limit order, so you just choose the price you want to buy. You can either increase or reduce. All right, and then you can either buy by 25%, 50%, or 100%. Right. So if you're selling the same method, you can sell what you have. Right now I have 506 veg in this particular account, so I can either choose to sell 25% of it and maybe edit the price, increase it or reduce it, right? The good thing about this exchange is that once you type the Bitcoin equivalent, it gives you the US dollar equivalent, below equivalent in US dollar, and that is pretty cool. So I can choose to sell 25% or 100% of it. Now, when it comes to market order, you can actually change the price, right? So market order, it chooses the best available price in the market, and then you can now choose by 25%, 50%, or 100%. I think that's actually very simple to do. All right, so that's basically how you do it, and then you just click sell. I'm not selling right now. All right, okay. That's how to sell, and the same thing how to buy. Now for stop limit. I have a video on stop limits. I will put the video in the description, the link to the video in the description below, so you guys can check it out and how to use stop limits. All right, and stop limits helps you to run away from losses. All right, so let's go to the account and see the various things we have. All right, so as you can see, using BNB, which is Binance coin. All right, you pay, you have a 50% discount in fees, right? And that is really cool, and that is what other exchanges like my former favorite cryptocurrency exchange they have. And this is my referral ID. All right, so right now my account is unverified because I need to upload some details so I can withdraw more than daily limits of 100 BTC. All right, that is really cool. I use this account for tutorials, and that's just it. All right, so there are so many features here about Binance. Using Binance app to trade is actually very easy and fast. All right, simplified, easy to use, nothing complex about it. There are actually 4 trading pairs: BNB, BTC, ETH, and USDT. Now there's one other cool stuff I like about Binance. On some other exchanges, if you have some leftover coins that cannot be traded, they are there and they're there. You just they are forgotten. But on Binance, you can actually convert those little coins to BNB. Convert all of them and trade with them again. So, guys, that's how to use the video is already 7 minutes, and I don't want it to be too long. All right, so thanks for watching. If you have any question or suggestion or any request, just type it below. All right, thank you.